A man was shot dead by a gunman while ordering a drink at a bar in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Thursday. The dead man has been identified as 30-year-old Ashley Taylor, otherwise called Don Man, a fisherman from Nari Lane in Old Harbour Bay. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate that about 6:20 p.m., Taylor was inside a bar ordering a drink when he was approached by a man armed with a handgun. The man, police said, opened gunfire, hitting the now deceased in the head. The gunman then fled on foot in the area. Residents of the area rushed the injured man to May Pen Hospital where he was pronounced dead. A Montego Bay St. James businessman who is wanted by United States authorities was arrested on Thursday afternoon on a warrant of extradition. He is 30-year-old Troy Anthony Williams of Bogue Village in the parish. Observer Online understands that he was captured at his home by members of the Lottery Scam Task Force. Williams is reportedly wanted by the U.S. authority for mail and wire fraud. He is now in custody pending an extradition hearing. A 34-year-old farmer who previously pleaded guilty to breaches of the Dangerous Drug Act was fined more than $2 million when he appeared before the Manchester Parish Court on Friday. Gavin Dennis of Schoolfield District Malvern in St. Elizabeth was slapped with the hefty fine by Senior Parish Court Judge John Time, following a December 22 incident in which 800 pounds of ganja was recovered from 24 knitted bags found in the pickup Dennis was driving. The discovery was made during a police operation in the New Forest District in Manchester. Following a plea in mitigation by his attorney Thomas Levine on Friday, the judge agreed not to confine Dennis but instead imposed fines of $15,000 or 6 months for possession of ganja, $1 million or 12 months for dealing in ganja, and $1 million or 18 months for trafficking ganja. Dennis was given 60 days to make payment. If the fines aren't paid within that time, Dennis will serve 18 months in prison.